Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to ad block in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link you see. This will take you to Chrome Web Store, where you can find extension from Chrome. In the search bar on the left hand side of the Chrome Web Store, type Adblock or Adblock Plus, two of the most popular ad blocking extension. Press enter, browse through the search result and choose a reputable ad blocker like Adblock or Adblock Plus. Extensions have high number of user and positive review. Click on the extension name to open its detail. On the extension page, click on the blue Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Add extension to confirm. Chrome will automatically download and install the extension. Once installed, you'll see the ad blocker icon in the top right corner of your browser next to the address bar. Click on the ad blocker icon to open its settings or option. Most ad blocker works automatically by default, but you can configure additional settings. The ad blocker is now activated and will block ads on website as you browse. You can turn it off or on for a specific site by clicking on the ad block icon and selecting the appropriate option. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and